this?
Elephant.
Elephant. What's this?
Outside.
Yeah, it's outside. What's this?
Outside.
What's this?
Banana.
What's this?
Banana.
You want a banana?
Okay.
All right, let's finish our flashcards and then we'll have a banana. What's it?
That orange.
Orange. What's this?
Bicycle.
Yeah.
Bicycle.
Yeah, what's this?
Bicycle. And
All right.
yes.
Okay, what's a fish make? What's this?
Side.
All right.
Side.
What's this?
Outside.
Yeah, the sun is outside. What's this?
Outside.
Yeah, leaves are outside too.
What's pumpkin?
All right.
Yeah.
What's this?
Birdie's nest.
A birdie's what?
Birdie's.
Birdie's nest.
Birdie.
That's where a birdie sleeps.
Where sleeps.
What's this?
Heart.
What's a heart say? Beep, 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 beep. What's this?
Pits.
Right. Okay, what's this? What is it?
Apple.
Oh, it's a flower.
Flower.
Yeah. Can you smell it? What's this?
Horsey. What horsey?
Yeah. What's a horsey say? What's this?
Turtle.
No. What's this? What's this?
Turtle.
No.
Tree.
Tree. What's this?
Robot.
Right. What's this?
Sock.
What's this?
Shoes.
What's this?
Glove.
Right. What's this?
Cake.
What's this?
Cake. Birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Cake. Key.
Key.
Go bye-bye.
Yeah, you take keys to go bye-bye. What's this?
Froggy.
What's a froggy say?
Rabbit.
Ribbit.
Rabbit
What's
here.
this? You remember?
Rabbit.
It's a top.
Top.
Top, you spin it.
Pin
Okay, next one.
it. Next one.
What's this?
Car.
Car. Last one. What says moo?
Cow.
Cow. Good job. Give mommy high five. Yeah.